Hello YouTube, I have a announcement video for you guys. It's probably going to be my first announcement video because I play PC a lot. I like PC games and I'm looking forward for the GTA 5 PC release. It's coming out on the 27th if you don't know, and I have the PC requirements. Some of you are itching to know about it. Most of you are looking forward to the mods, the graphic enhancements, more like your player models and stuff like that. There's been on discussion websites just like Reddit, on the actual Rockstar forums, and Seven Sins, Tech Game, stuff like that. People have been having discussions on that about it. The people on there think it may be delayed on the release, but Rockstar confirm it will be coming on the 27th. There's not much info about the game. There's only 16 days from the release, and I have the PC specs right here. For the minimum PC specs, the GPU is Core 2 Duo E820 2.266 GHz or Phenom 2X2545. The GPU is a GeForce GT 530. The RAM, minimum RAM is 4 GB. Sorry. The operating system is Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, 64 gig, and the hard drive space you need is 20 GB. The recommended PC specs are a Core i5 2500T with 2.3 GHz or a Phenom 2X49750. The GPU recommended is GeForce GTX 480 or a Radeon HD 6970. 6 GB of RAM, same operating system, 7, 8, 8.1, 64 gig, and obviously the same hard drive space. I will be informing you of, I'll let you know if there's any more news, and I'll hopefully be able to get some recording done of the actual game when I get it. So, been Joe HD Gamer, thanks for watching, peace. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and follow my Twitter, because I'll be posting all my videos on there. Cheers.